Hi, I'm Mariana Cuza, and I am the founder of Vera Clean. Today, I will talk to you about our kit. This is unique to our company. It's similar with the professional cleaners that they have in the 5-star hotel. Each color has different usage because it has different percentage, and it's absolutely amazing to see how it works and why did we choose to do this coloring. The Royal Institute of Hygiene from UK, they are using and training all this stuff across the board to use the color coordination in order not to have cross-contamination in the hotels, in the nursing home, wherever they work. However, we should think about our own home in cross-contamination. Now, one of the difference is the way our bottles are made. If you see, you can easily hold it. It's only 500 mils. And you grab the trigger, very simple. The trigger, if you undo the whole thing, is not broken. Make sure you don't lose it, because if it's undone, it squirts. The more you squeeze it, it becomes a spray. This is a general spray for all your tops, for mirrors, for your glass. If you need to do your telephone, your laptop, please don't squirt it directly. Squirt it on the cloth and then wipe it. And we know how many bacteria and pathogens they have found on the phone and on the keyboard when you at work. So use it and clean your keyboard. You can spray it on a tissue paper and clean and sanitize around. It has the refilling with clean water and then you top it up. Now, some people use this everywhere. I'm talking like even to clean their car, to clean inside the car, to clean the window of the car. It does not leave any odor. And you can refill it again and again with the concentrate. It's just a little bit here on the top that will give you the cleanness, and you have the gauge on the top of the general cleaner. Another great thing is that for all our kit, the only product you need, the only base, it is the concentrate, and you refill all of them. And there's no cross-contamination, because in case you clean that on the kitchen and then you put the green one, that you clean the bench top, you clean your vegetables with, does not react with the blue one. Many products that you find on the shops tell you not to use other companies' products because they may interact, may have cross-reaction. Now, with the Vera Clean, you have no cross-reaction. This is for the kitchen. Again, you refill it with clean water and top it up. You see it's a bit higher percentage because in the kitchen we use more bacteria, let's say, live things. And when we clean and on your cutting board, you can spray it. After you clean it, spray it, leave it overnight. It does not damage your cutting board, but continues to work to uplift whatever leftover bacteria or from your cutting of the meat or your cutting of the vegetables. We are using it also to spray the vegetables, the fruits. We spray it and then we leave it for a few minutes and then we rinse. Have a look what comes under. Have a look when you strain it and see what comes after you wash your vegetable. You will be amazed and you'll want it again and again. And guess what? It doesn't change the taste of your vegetables. It doesn't change the taste of your apple or of your fruits. Yet it cleans, it takes away all the other touches, other people's hands or sneezes or God knows where they've been. I personally and a few other people wash even our meat from the butcher. We spray it, we leave it a little bit, for a couple of minutes, and then you rinse it and tap it with clean paper, and then you put it away if you want to marinate. So it is a precaution, and it's absolutely amazing. It lifts up the oils, so it doesn't dissolve the oil like most of the cleaners. Like it doesn't make a gooey thing. It actually lifts up the fat, the dirt from the place, and it cleans squeaky clean. And whenever we wash, again, so we don't have cross-contamination. I saw some people using the same rag to do the floor, to do every day, God forbid. We use this for general, and this is for the kitchen. So after we use it, you rinse it under the tap, put it to dry. It takes 4 or 5 times its weight in water, so you can clean it again. Just wash it, let it to dry, or even squeeze it and rewash it again. Of course, we have bathroom, right? And bathroom, it's a bit stronger. As you can see, it's a bit stronger, the concentration. You want to use it on the bench top, around your bathroom, around your toilet, and especially on the walls and on the screens. It's important to know that if you have used other cleaners or you haven't used it for a long time, you didn't clean the door, the slides, whatever you have in your, the screens, whatever you have in your shower, leave it a bit longer, spray it and leave it a bit longer, because it takes time to work and to penetrate through the biofilm or the gathering of what's happening, the scum. Now, in the beginning, maybe you will need to rub it a bit, to clean it a bit more until you go to the base biofilm. However, once you start to clean it, and when you have your shower, it's good that you can spray it, leave it on the walls, leave it on the screen, and next time when you have shower, just let it go clean. And it's going to continue to create a repelling effect for the new scum and the new dirt to stick to it. And also, it doesn't damage your feet as it's washing off with your shower. So after you shower, you can just spray it on the walls, leave it there, and when you have your next shower, it washes, and it acts as a protector and as a repelling of the new dirt. Using the red cloth, you don't make a mistake to use the one from the kitchen. Now, we know that we all have some incidents, and sometimes contamination happens, bodily fluids or stains, or, our loving family with 4 legs, the pets, they do something. This decontamination, actually I created it first, and I wanted the stronger solution, because I needed for my husband and what he needs, because he's in wheelchair and he has a lot of medical issue. So we are using this to clean all around his wheelchair. And with the decontamination, we use only paper towel. We don't have a cloth because we decontaminate and throw it away. You can use this for stains. We use it many times if the stains are deeper, or some men, like my husband also, he's perspiring, or the pillowcase has a bit of oily and a bit of, the body odor. So I sprayed abundantly and leave it until my next day or 2-3 days when the laundry is done and everything comes out and the stain comes out. It's absolutely amazing. People have used it even to, like, I think I used the green one. I cut myself over here by mistake, and I spray it to clean because I was cooking and the knife just jumped. Sometimes the knife just has a mind of its own. And I used it to clean it and stop the bleeding, and I press it back so you can see the scar is still there. I think my body makes some human growth hormones, and repair it. So this is about our product that will love to live in your home and to really, really help you keep and maintain your house wonderful, clean, and without the odors that are so many other companies cover up. Imagine, just go now in your kitchen and have a look how many different odors you have under the sink. Please do it. And calculate how much it costs you. And then go into the bathroom, do the same, see how many sprays and cleaners you have there. Okay? Calculate how much it costs you and start smelling. And then go into your laundry and do the same. You will feel tricked, maybe. Maybe you will think, why did they put so many stars? Oh, I like this because it wasn't special. Oh, I like this because I wanted that smell. Or I wanted the other smell. Even before we had our company, before we started to have no odor, research from the Pulmonary Institute in America and in UK and in Australia too, they found out that the odors are really, really damaging people. If you have in your home something that cover up the odor, the smell of the house, think about it. Don't wait to be sick. You see, in my case, I didn't think much about what my grandmother used to do and how she used to clean us and help us. You can read my story in the website. And when my husband got sick, again and again, even though we tried the best that they had, and Australia has a lot of good, great things, until I apply and I learn and I work with a herbalist and a chemical engineer to actually bring that science to the current scientific world, I did not know that I can have something so powerful. And the more we use it, the more we find out how many utilization it has. From the kids playing in the dirt and spraying the playing pen and playing ground, in the park or in the primary school or in the kindergartens, to stop all those little foot and mouth and other problems that they have there, and to people using it to stop bleeding, to people using it to help their children, to people using it to take permanent markers from the leather lounges or the leather new car. It's amazing how many utilization we find out, and people from the turtles in Queensland, they use it in the zoo. It's simple, but it's powerful. Wisdom is to be preventive. Don't wait until your loved one is sick or really have to fix something. I am sure that you and I and a few other people around now use that old saying, prevention is better than cure. Be wise. Choose. You choose. You cannot not choose, because if you don't choose, you actually go with the flow. Whatever's in the market, whatever they tell you. And that is one of my biggest challenge. I was told, spend more money in marketing. I find out that it's so much deception in marketing. I don't want to deceive anyone. What we have, it works, it's good. You try it. You have choice and control. Choose Vera, choose to be very clean. And when you want to clean, don't say to yourself, I must clean that, I must clean. Tell yourself, I want to clean, because you want to know yourself clean. You want to know your environment clean and hygienic. And also, when you say to yourself that I want to clean that, it is you empowering yourself, because you go forward towards a result that you want to have. May you have a clean, wonderful day. Be clean, be Vera Clean.